Hi everybody, it's Josh with CFT Performance. Wanted to show you how we do the air level link kits with our trucks. You had to bear with me, lost my voice. Sorry about that everyone. But these kits work with everything from the 13s all the way on up with the air ride suspension. Works on every trim package. The link systems are all the same. The biggest ones is just doing the front end links. They're adjustable. You can fix the ram lean that's on a lot of the different vehicles. They're a very easy, simple install. If you decide to do the 4-link sets, which I kind of advise against because you got to modify the back factory studs to be able to bolt in the new links. And you'll also have to do a lot more adjustments on the links to get everything panned out and get everything leveled as you want. But also they'll end up sometimes, if you tow or have heavy loads, you might end up going into some of the payload issues and everything. But the front end links have not been an issue. With all the trucks that we usually put these on is Eco Diesels. They were able to run the 20-inch factory wheels with 35 1250 tires down the highway, aero mode, no rub, no bump. They work out really easy. I'll show you how quick they are to install on here and do the front end real quick. Just a couple minute install. I always tell everybody they come with instructions to put your vehicle in tire jack mode. That's just a safety precaution because the vehicles are always self-leveling themselves. So if you don't know how to do that, it's in your manual, but it's real simple. You just go down, put your vehicle in run, go into the controls, settings, you go down, you'll find suspension, and you'll see tire jack mode. Just click on it, and then when you pop the links off and everything, the vehicle's not going to be raising and lowering and everything. So show you how to do the install. Once the install is all done, all you got to do afterwards is take your vehicle out of tire jack mode, cycle the system. It will run a little bit slower at first as it's just kind of recomputing itself. But after that, it'll go back to the same speed as it was before, and that's it. So I'll show you this install. Your factory link's located here on the front end, you'll see. All you gotta do, if you want to, for more room, you just turn a tire. But all you gotta do is you gotta get in here, and you just pop off the front end link. Once that's popped off, we can get in here, and we can go ahead and remove the bottom one. You don't even have to pop it off. Remove that hardware, drop that on down. Then you can take off the top, get that top stud taken off. Then you take in the new link and the supplied hardware that we give with you. Screw that in for the top side. We'll get that going there. Then go ahead and put your bolt in, bring your arm up. Put in the hardware. Link will be shown just like it is. Tightened up. That's it. You're done.